Chef Caveman seasoning up his chicken to jerk it tomorrow for his big grand opening. Chef, what you just put in your chicken?
Well, put your chicken all-purpose, salt and black pepper. Then I'm going to blend the rest of seasoning them to go on it.
Okay, so you guys hear that? He put all-purpose seasoning in there and black pepper, and then he's going to blend up the real jerk seasoning to put in it. Chef Caveman is going to make the jerk sauce. So the first thing he said he's going to start with, which is he's going to put everything in the blender. He start with some water in there. Go ahead, Chef Caveman. Thyme.
The pimento leaf.
Some pimento leaf.
Scallion.
Some scallion. We say green onion. Ours is a little different from it.
Ginger.
But ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper is put in, you know, the famous Scotch bonnet pepper in there. He's put in one, and then some pimento seed. He's gonna put in there, and that's what we say. Some people say allspice. It's all the same. It's the pimento.
Okay, garlic.
And then some garlic. He's adding some garlic to it. Anything else, Chef?
That's it.
Okay, and all this he's gonna blend, and then when he's finished, he's gonna put it on the chicken that he already put the dry seasoning on. So now he's gonna put that after. So here's a chicken. Chef Caveman already put the seasoning in it. Green season that he blended up. That was a jerk season. Now he's gonna put it on the grill and he's gonna start it going. So welcome to the grand opening of Caveman business. He's putting on all the chicken on the grill right now. And Chef Caveman is located in Montego Bay, Montego Hills, right next to the police station. You can find him here any day of the week. He does jerk pork, jerk chicken. He do conch and fried fish and rice and peas. A very large menu you can select from. So Chef Caveman, what is in the bottom down there giving you the fire?
Coal.
Okay, so that's coal. Oh yes, you pick up the bag of coal. Here it is. Yesterday you said you picked this up from the man who made the coal himself. Okay, burn it. Who burned the coal, I should say. So what else in your kitchen cooking? Oh, a pot of soup. What kind of soup is this?
This is chicken foot, chicken neck.
Chicken foot and chicken neck and red peas.
And pumpkin.
And pumpkin in there that give it that nice yellow color, guys. So you hear that? That's one of the things on the Chef Caveman menu today. And what else is here? We have this huge pot. You can see it from top to bottom. A huge pot of rice and peas that he just finished cook. And next over here, Chef Caveman, what is this? Jerk pork. Okay, so your jerk pork is finished.
Yeah.
And this is the grill. You grill the pork in. Yeah. And he said he used charcoal.
Yeah.
And sweet wood.
And pimento wood.
And pimento wood to give it the flavor, you know, have
on top of the grill.
that nice flavor. Okay, so Chef Caveman gonna show us inside the grill. Right over here, some corn roasting. See the corn, they roast them in the shell. I'm gonna have them with coconut, so with a dry coconut with the corn. Okay, so here is a grill that Chef Caveman used to grill the pork. So there it go, guys. So yep, another day with Chef Caveman. Chef Caveman chicken. Now the chicken is finished. You guys can see it. It's all finished. It's right there, and it's on the sweet wood right now. Chef Caveman grand opening. Bing, just like magic.